If you want to see how I repurpose my great-grandmother's gossip chair, well, keep on watching. Alright guys, it's been over a year since I had this, and I'm just now about to tackle it. I hope it comes out good. This was my beautiful great-grandmother's gossip chair, telephone chair, and I want to revamp it. So, yeah, I just want to revamp it, and if it doesn't come out the color that I picked, then I'll change it. But for now, I just wanted to do something with it. I need for it to go here, because we're having a little get together. I need something for people to sit in. So this is the before. Okay, so here I am trying to remove the seat, and I'm using a hammer, as you can see, and it wasn't moving. I removed 4 screws, but there was another screw hiding, so I didn't know that at the time. So I'm using like butter knives, everything you could think of to try to pry this thing open. But I finally figured it out, so got it off. Yay! Finally got it off. It was another thing. So here's this, and I'm going to reupholster that and paint this. Here we go. Okay guys, I'm painting, and look what I see here. What is that? What does that say? I don't even know how old this thing is. That is my great-grandmother in a nutshell. That's her in a nutshell. She loved the board. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And I'm so glad I didn't paint over it. Oh, look at that. Alright, this is after maybe 2 or 3 coats. I'm gonna let it dry some more, and then I'll continue to finish it. So this is not attached. I just wanted to put it on top. And I have not did the finishes. I haven't distressed it, but I just wanted to see if this fabric I bought like 4 months ago would be, because I didn't know what I was gonna. So I think that'll work. What do you think? All right, so by trial and error, I went through a couple of different options. See, the problem with this, I've had it for a while, and it has like this permanent wrinkles. But this is how it looks here. You see all those wrinkles? I'm gonna try to pull it as much as I possibly can, and hopefully it will go, because right now it's not looking good. Worst case scenario, I'll just have to redo it with a different fabric later. All right, so I'm not done. This is not the final, but I just wanted to make sure I have a seat for people come over and take their shoes off. But yeah, I still need to distress it some more and put some other, and seal it, but this is it now. That is the, yeah, so it is what it is. It's better than what it was. Hey guys, so here is my great-grandma's reupholstered chair, and now I'm about to take some wax and age it, kind of give it more of an antique. So this is the antique wax, and I'm about to see how this goes. All right, here we go. All right, so I'm gonna, look, I have it on my hands. But anyway, I'm gonna try to see if I could do this. It's supposed to be like a thin amount. Okay, and so just wanna brush it on. Said brush it on. Take this. Oh, you see that? I don't know about that. Let's do this. I'm gonna do the back of this. See how it looks. Set thin. I don't know if I like that. I'm gonna tell you why. Because it's making it brown. And I liked it gray. I don't know. Lord, please don't let me have messed this up. I'm gonna have to buy it and repaint it. So let's see. Already started. So I'm yeah, I don't know if I like it like that. So I think I'm gonna have to repaint this and then get some clear wax. I don't know, maybe it should have just been on the edges. Like that. Just to give it a little age feel, yeah. That's probably how it should have been. Just touched on the sides. Very lightly. Yeah. That's how it should have looked. Okay. See that? See.
When they say lightly, very lightly. You want it to be basically dry. See that? Yep, that's how it should be. So, and then you have to hit it with the clear or polyurethane. But, show you.
Here. Just lightly age it. See, I'm gonna hit it with the embellishment. Okay, so like I said, you want that brush basically dry. I'm trying to hit in here so it's still a little bit too wet. You won't see it as much.
And I'll be back. I'm gonna see if I have any more of this left, this color left, so I can fix the back. Or see if I can wash it off. I'll be back.
So I did the aging, and I wanted to, you see that? I don't know about the front here. I may fix that. I'm not a fan of how it looks. So yeah, I think I'm gonna redo that. Okay guys, so I'll just let you see how I went on ahead and made it look antique. And there we go. So again, this is how my great-grandma Nell's gossip chair looked before. And this is how it looks after. You know, this chair was over 50 years old, and my great-grandma would sit in that chair and she would pray with her girlfriends, her church girlfriends, and it just reminded me, people were like, that's junk, and I just said, no, I saw something and I wanted to restore it. And it reminded me how, you know, God restores us from our mess and turn us into messages. So I wanted to honor my great-grandma Nell, and hopefully my family enjoys this too. And just want you to take a look at it again. Look how it looked. I mean, you wouldn't want to keep it. My husband wanted me to throw it out. I was like, no. Again, this, look at this. This was a stamp that was on there. I don't know how long it was there, but I was able to see that. And now my family can, this can be passed down from my family on down. So again, if you like this type of videos, please like, share, and subscribe, because this one really meant so much to me. I greatly appreciate you watching. Smooches!